Okay, Ziakala, I don't know if you guys heard. So the lawyers of Jacob Zuma, they wrote to the ANC today saying Guguti, they feel like his expulsion was unlawful. It was done unfairly. And so they want to get another fair trial or another fair reconsideration kind of vibe. And I was just listening to Fikile Mbalula. And Fikile Mbalula is like, hey, Uzuma is just seeking for attention. I also saw the Jacob Zuma Foundation also released a statement this morning, which I've not read, but I am going to do a full episode on YouTube. I'm going to be reading both the statements from the lawyer and from the foundation, Jacob Zuma Foundation. So Ovikile Mbalula is speaking. He's saying, Ubana, Jacob Zuma is just seeking attention. If he wanted to reply, he could have replied when they expelled him. Why is he only replying now? He's trying to distract them from what they are doing. And he's just an attention seeker. And yay, so and Gazinja, I'm gonna play the clip, Kafikile, but before I play the clip, I have been asked to bring the MK members to the podium today, to the panel, so that they can tell us how do they feel. They can explain to us, Ukuthi, are they understanding this thing of Jacob Zuma and the ANC? Okanye nje bazimpompothe eziblind, abazi noba kuyatsha noba kuyavuta noba kuyasana. Ukubona. Like, so, like, I think we really want to have a genuine engagement on this matter. So if you're an MK member, please come through to my live tonight. Let's talk about it. Educate us, guys, please, because also educate some of your members who might be a little bit confused. You never know.
Well, Zuma's letter is mischief. I'm not going to respond to any other thing because it seeks to divert us from this occasion of 113th year. He had an opportunity to send his love letter many days ago. He didn't, but he chose this day. That's how he works. That's how he operates. Who basically thrive on disunity for his own self-interest. That's what he does. He doesn't serve South Africa. He doesn't serve the ANC. He doesn't serve our people. He serves himself. Himself and only himself. That's what he is.